Dear students, now in this module I will teach you what are the main components of biosensors and their features and functions, and also we will know about who is the father of biosensor. Features of biosensors: they are bioreceptors, transducers and signal processors. The bioreceptors is a biomolecule that recognize the target analyte, where the signal processing concerns the analysis, synthesis and modification of signals, where are broadly defined as function conveying information about the behavior or attributes of some phenomena such as sound, images and biological measurements. Here we can see there is an analyte and also there is a bioreceptors, where analyte has compatible and it has been attached, and this bioreceptors is attached with transducer, and finally they give measurable signals to biosensor for the detection. When we are going to see the key components of biosensors, there are some analytes or samples, bioreceptors, transducers and finally signals, where we can recognize through a device. Here we can see it is a sample in which there is a specific analyte which we can detect it through bioreceptors. All detectable analyte going to those bioreceptors, and there are some types of bioreceptors such as enzymes, microorganisms, antibodies, chemoreceptors, tissue, organelles and nucleic acid. They are attached with transducer, and we can see some types of transducer like amphometric, potentiometric, semiconductor, thermometric, photometric and piezoelectric. These are transducer. So the key components of a biosensor showing examples of biological receptors, transducers and the signal display. And also we have to know about the father of biosensors. Leland C. Clark was an American biochemist. He is most well known as the inventor of the Clark electrode, which is a device used for measuring oxygen in blood, water and other liquids. Clark is considered the father of biosensors, and the modern day glucose sensor used daily by millions of diabetics is based on his research. He conducted pioneering research on heart-lung machines in 1940s and 50s. Thank you.